how to create your profile in the list of ROS Developers for Hiring. So the first thing that you need to have is an account at the construct. And for that, in case that you have it, just log in, or if you need one, go to sign up now. You can see the address to reach this point in the comments of the video below. So create your account or log in with your existing account. Any free account will do it. Once you are logged in, then you need to go to your icon on the top right corner and then select Profile. Here you will see your profile in the current state. So if you have just started, it will be almost empty. So the thing that you have to do is to click on the bottom, on this button here, Edit Profile. And you can now start editing your profile and changing it. First thing, very important, include your picture. So click here on this icon and include your picture that will be displayed on the list of ROS developers. Then you can, for example, continue adding your Twitter account in case that you have it, or your Git account. Next thing, here on this side, on the right side, include the location where you are living right now, because this is very important for the employers. They want to know from where are you at present. And in case that is remote or it is not, this information is very important. Then mandatory that you include a description of yourself, because this will be displayed in the list as the first thing that will be displayed about you. Your picture and this comment here together with your location. So take care of filling those three things very, very well. Then include your work experience. And in order to do that, there is a button here at the bottom that it's called Add. You can click here and then add your working experience. Very simple, but it's functional and it works. Just fill it and that's it. Add as a new work experience. Something else that you need to include are your skills in terms of ROS and programming and development. So in order to fill all those skills, you can come here to this bottom, this button, and then select Add, and then select your skill from the list provided, and that's it. Add it. Add them here. Next thing, add your programming languages, and here you have a few options only so far. We'll prove this in the future. And finally, your spoken languages. So the same, add here, look for the language, and then your level of proficiency. Great. Then final part is this one about featured ROSjects. ROSjects are ROS projects that can be launched here in the cloud, so your employers can see your ROSjects and execute them and see if they work and how they work, what you have done, so they can actually explore if they want your ROS work and your ROS skills. That is why it's interesting that you put some featured ROSjects. How do you add a featured ROSject to this section? Then for this, you have to go to your section of My ROSject here on the left side of the platform. This option called My ROSject. So if you click here, you will see a list of all your ROSjects. Some of them maybe you didn't do it because you forked from somebody else. Of course, you cannot put those as featured because it's not your work. But any others that you have done, then you can add them there. For example, I'm going to add this one about the Robotics open manipulator. And I'm going to add this here. So in order to add it, put your mouse on top of the image. You will see that it displays here the three dots icon. Click there and then select Add ROSjects to showcase. Now this ROSject has been selected to be shown into your featured ROSjects. and you can remove at any time. Again, by clicking here and removing. So if I go back to my profile again, then I'll move down, then I can see this project has been featured. So we recommend you that you put the ones that you have so employers can see very, very quickly. They can launch it and they don't need any account to review your profile. And that's it. Once you have all those modifications, here, you click on confirm, and that is done. Your profile is done. Then the next thing that you have to do is to send us your request for being added to the list. And for that, you have to click on this button, I want to be hired. So if you want your profile to be displayed in the list of ROS developers, let me show you the list. Here, it's on the bookmarks, here. So if you want your profile to be displayed here, like all those others developers, then you need to first fill the profile and then click on I want to be hired. This is going to change the button to this status, I don't want to be hired anymore. So now we are receiving your request, we'll review your profile, and if it is correct, then we'll display it here. And you will be searchable by employers using the tags or the languages. So far, we provide those two. Okay, I hope this is clear. See you around the world.